This is continued video inspection of sewer main for 4336 East 19th Avenue, Denver, Colorado, to Charlie Young. Already verified the line is cleared. Camera had a contact and shut off on me. Alright. I do have water running right now just to help rinse the line out more. My jetter hose coming in from the floor drain in the laundry room in front of the house, which is closer to the core. Bit of an offset right there into the belly. Alright, so this was all cored yesterday. Massive amounts of waste in toilet paper. Right now it's flowing. So this is about as far as I got yesterday with the camera, after spending a couple hours cabling the line, with no success of clearing line. Alright, city sewer. Let's let this water drain out. Now we're going to start slowly bringing this camera back from the city sewer. Tap looks to be intact. Bit of a belly right here in the 50s. A little offset right there. Water's still flowing past it. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple of little spots where the pipe sagged out and bellied, but everything's draining. This section here's got quite a bit of belly in it. 34 feet.
I'll pass them up to the other one.
34 to 40. Okay. Yeah, hit her on up.
Not backing up in here. It's not backing up in here.
Oh no, the line's open and draining. Offset at foundation. balance out though. Alright, that completes the video inspection for 4336 East 19th Avenue, Denver, Colorado for Charlie Young and Home Serve Warranty.